Okay, so let's see how do we run our program. So we all know that we use a print statement to run up our program, right? So print hello. I'll take up that particular value and then now, and then I'll just print the statement, control plus enter, right? So you can just check out, I took up a variable num is equals to 5, and then what I did, I just used my print statement to print the value of it, right? So this is how you write your instructions in your Jupyter notebook. Okay, so you can see there now that you are you're using an English like language, that is print is nothing but a keyword. As a common man also we can understand that print is nothing but it will print. So num here, just go through that we have used a variable called as num, right? But we have not declared any sort of a value, data type to it. But if I want to check up how do I check my data type of it, then what is the thing I'm gonna do? Any idea? I'll just use my type. Okay, that is I'll just show you now. Next, print. Okay, then print. After that, what I'm gonna do, type rls, okay, is equals to, I'll give the value as college print double quotes rls rls, control press enter, right? It is coming. Now we'll move further and just see the type of it again. Now I'll just take this, control C, control V. What I'll do, type of rls, right? Okay, here I'll pass it as rls, sorry, so it rls, control enter. You can check out there in the first statements, when I have assigned 5 as a value to a number variable, it gave me as an int, and in the second one it gave me as a string. So this is how you play around with the Jupyter. I hope that is clear for you all now. Okay, fine. You can check out a few more examples and just go to the download sections and download your Jupyter notebook. I'll be showing up how to download or how to install your Jupyter notebook as well in the upcoming videos. Okay, yeah. Okay, now moving on to your further. Just a second. Okay, yeah, just a second. Hold on. Okay, now you also how it is done, right? Now moving on to your Python operators. Okay, so in Python language we have different types of operators, that is the operator. Before that, let us see what is an operator. An operator can be defined as a symbol which is responsible for a particular operation between the two operands, right? It is nothing but, operators are nothing but they are a symbol which will tell us what operation will be performed on these two operands, right? So here we have two types of operators. Okay, sorry, we have many operators, that is something around 7 types of operators are there. That is arithmetic operator, we have comparison operator, we have assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise and membership operators, and identity operator. Probably you guys have already studied about 5 operators already, that is your arithmetic, comparison, assignment, logical, bitwise and all, right? But the new ones are your membership operator and the identity operator. We shall study each one by one in the upcoming slides. Now check out with the arithmetic operator. So in the arithmetic operator, as we know from name itself, that is nothing but arithmetic means your addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, remainder, exponent, floor operations. These all come under your arithmetic operations. Okay. So I'll be not explaining much about this in detail, as because you have already studied about your arithmetic operations, right? So just go through the slide and you will get to know them. Now coming back to your example. Now what I have done here, I have taken up two variables, that is a is equals to 7 and then b is equals to 4, right? A is equals to 7 and b is equals to 4. What is the next thing? I have used many print statements, and then with the help of the arithmetic operators, that is, you can check out there. In the first statements I am trying to add, in the second I am trying to subtract, third multiplication, fourth division, float and floor, and then modulus, exponent, right? So what is happening over there? They are performing the arithmetic operations. I hope that is clear. Yes. Now coming back to your comparison operator. So what do you mean by a comparison operator? As the name suggests itself, we are going to compare, right? We are going to compare between the two different values. That is, the two different operands are going to get compared over here. So how is that possible? How could we do that? Comparison operators are used comparing the value of the two operands and returns Boolean true or false accordingly. So if the value, for example, I'm gonna check that let me consider that I have two variables, that is a is equals to 7 and b is equals to 4. If I say a is greater than b, what is the value of a? A is 7 and b is 4, right? A is 7, b is 4. Now which is the greater? A is greater, right? So if at all I use an operator called as greater than, then if the left operand, that is a, is greater than the right, then what happens? It's gonna return as a true. In the first statements you can check there, greater than. Okay, greater than, what it does, if the left operand is greater than the right, then it returns true, right? Now I had taken it as a, let me consider I have taken it as a and b. Okay, when I say a is 7 and b is 4, right? This a is greater than b value, that is, which is 4. So both are greater. A is greater. So when a is greater, that is the left side operand is greater, it is going to return as a true one, right? Now coming back to less than, the same applies over here. But if the left operand is less than the right, then it is going to return as a true. You have the equal to operator and not equal to, greater than or equal, or less than or equal to. These all the operators we have come across already, right? So this is how we use, these are the operators which are there in the comparison operator. Now to give an example, just check out a is equals to 7, b is equals to 4. So first what I am trying to print is a greater than b. Is a greater than b? Yes, it is greater. So the first statement in the output statement tells us that it is true. Is a greater than b, less than b? No, because left operand is greater, right? If the left operand is greater, it is going to return true, but here it is false, so it is going to give you false. Is a equal to b? No, they are totally different, so it is false. Is a not equal to b? Yes, it is not equal to b, because both have different values, so it is going to give you true value. Is a greater than or equals to b? Yes, it is greater than, so one condition is fulfilled. So, and is it equal? If it was greater than or equal to, greater than is condition is fulfilling, so it is given as a true. Is a less than or equals to b? No, it is greater than, so it is giving it as a false. I hope the examples are clear. Okay, so that was about your two operators, that is your arithmetic operator and comparison operator. So to just revise your, we have different 7 types of operators, that is nothing but arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operator, membership, and the identity.
So these are the two operators which we have discussed in this particular video, and further operators, that is your assignment operator, logical, bitwise, membership and identity operators, will be discussed in the further upcoming videos.